to go this way so you can look around, didn't you? You smiling for the camera? Look at you, you strong boy with your strong neck.
Look at his chunky arm.
Yeah.
He's a big boy.
He's not meant to be able to move his neck all that way like that
he's
for
strong.
a little baby. He's a tough cookie, isn't you? Very advanced. You want to go for a walk probably, didn't you? Instead of laying here. But we're trying to get you sleepy.
No, he's been up for a while.
I'll give your old dad a cuddle. That's nice.
Hello, sweetie.
Hello.
Not you. Not this one.
Oh,
But this
you're
one.
going to be sick on your dad.
No, it's just a little burp.
No.
Oh, he's got hiccups.
He's got a hiccups. Oh, poor little fella.
Oh.
Oh, mate.
Oh.
They're rapid ones.
Yeah, he doesn't seem to really care so much.
Let me see if I can... No. Oh, matey. Oh. He's so warm.
I know.
Tasty. We won't need a hot water bottle in the winter.
No, we've got him.
Let's give James a little cuddle, won't we?
Oh, he's really warm.
Except for his feet. He's got cold feet. Let me keep them warm.
Oh.
Oh,
He
you
wants
want
them.
them warm. Yeah. Kicking me away. Frog's legs. Grab it, grab it.
He's so cute. Hello, love. He's looking at the camera, too. What's he doing?
I don't know, it's like he's trying to go somewhere.
Where are you trying to go, love?
Oh.
Oh, look at these little legs. Kicking Dad.
Oh. Oh, you're bored of those hiccups, aren't you, mate? Enough of those. Oh, he's tickling, man.
What's he doing?
He's got hairy little arms.
I
He
know.
takes after you.
Hmm.
Oh. What if I play with your feet? Will that take your mind off your hiccups? Little feet. Monkey feet. Oh. Oh, there's a big one. Son, how do we get rid of those annoying hiccups for you, eh?
We get
And
them
it's
so much.
food.
Yeah. Alright.
Did you feed recently?
Always. Yeah, he fed about 20 minutes
Oh,
ago.
look at that. Action. Hey, that's it. You work out there. Go on, strong boy. Go on, lift yourself up. He's a good boy.
Oh, cutie. Okay, maybe I should stop this now.
Yeah, give me